Welcome back for this is the part 2 of the some basic concept of chemistry. In this part we are going to study about measurement of properties of matter. This topic covers properties of matter, physical and chemical, measurement system, international system of unit SI unit, the base physical quantities and their units, prefix in SI units, measuring properties of matter, mass and weight, volume, density, temperature, national standard of measurement, the importance of reference standard. This is the topic for this part. First, properties of matter. As you know what is matter, a substance occupying space with a certain mass is said to be matter. That means matter have mass and space both. Properties of matter are two types, physical properties and chemical properties. What is physical properties? Physical properties of matter is the quantity which is measurable like color, melting point, boiling point and so on. What is chemical properties? Chemical properties of matter is the chemical change or reaction which take place according to its characters like acidity, basicity and so on. System of measurements. Matter has many properties like length, height and weight. The above given properties have some definite quantity. We measure them and usually denote them by writing the measurement numbers along with the units. For example, weight of the substance is 3 kg. The two type of measurement system are English system and metric system. We are going to discuss these two systems one by one. International System of Units. The International System of Unit has been established by 11th General Conference on Weight and Measures. It has 7 base unit fundamental physical quantities which can be measured. This system also have the possibility of measuring the prefix of physical quantities which represent the multiplies and submultiplies of the particular unit. In this, what is international system of unit? Decision of the international system of unit was taken at 11th General Conference of Weight and Measure in France. What is this? That 11th system? This is this. This is known as the base physical system. The base physical quantities of SI are length, mass, time, current, thermodynamic, temperature, amount of substance, and luminous intensity. Length symbol is m. Name of SI unit is meter. Symbol is small m. This is the L. Mass m. Unit is kilogram. Denoted as kg. Time small t. Unit is second. Symbol is small s. Electric current, that is ampere. Electric current is symbol is I and ampere is the unit and that symbol of the unit is A, capital A. Thermodynamic temperature, capital T, unit is Kelvin and denoted as capital K. Amount of substance, mole, denoted as small n, mole. A symbol of the mole is mol. Luminous intensity, IV, unit name is candela and represented as CD. Base units of different physical quantities. Length. What is definition of length? Meter is the length of the path. Meter is the length of the path traveled by light in vacuum during a time interval of 1 by 299,792,458 of a second. This is correlated with the speed of the light. That is approx 2.99792,458 multiplies 10 power 8 meter per second. Mass. The unit of mass is kilogram. Each kilogram is equal to the mass of the international prototype of the kilogram, which is kept in the Paris, France. Time. Second. The unit of time is the duration of 91926317770 periods of the radiation corresponding to the transition between two energy level of the ground state of the cesium-133 atom. Electric current, ampere. The unit of electric current is the constant current which, if maintained between two straight parallel conductors of infinite length of negligible cross section, would produce between these conductors a force equal to 10 to the power 2 multiplied 10 to the power minus 7 Newton per meter of length. This all is the definition. You don't should learn exactly this definition. You should at least know what is this unit and what is that symbols. Thermodynamic temperature, Kelvin. Kelvin is the unit of thermodynamic temperature, is equal to the fraction of 1 by 273.16 thermodynamic temperature of the triple point of water. What is triple point of water? Triple point of water, that means temperature of that water at which a solid and liquid and gas, all three states are coexist. Okay, coexist means एक साथ exist करते हैं. Amount of substances, mole. The unit of amount of substance is the amount of elementary entities, as many as there in 0.012 kg of carbon 12 atom. Carbon 12 isotope atoms. 0.012 kg means 1 to gram, 12 gram. Luminous intensity, that is candela, is the unit of the luminous intensity measured when a source emits monochromatic radiation. Monochromatic radiation means single color radiation of frequency 5540 multiplied times for 12 hertz, and which has radiant intensity of 1 by 683 watt per steradian, that is 1 candela. Prefix in SI, if 10 to the power minus 9, that prefix is nano and symbol is N. 10 to the power minus 6, prefix is micro, symbol is this. 10 to the power minus 3, prefix is milli and symbol is small m. 10 to the power minus 2, prefix is centi and symbol is C. 10 to the power minus 1, deci, symbol is D. 10 deca, symbol is Da. 10 to the power 2 hecto, symbol is S. 10 to the power 3 kilo, symbol is K. 10 to the power 6 mega, symbol is M. 10 to the power 9 giga, symbol is capital G. 10 to the power plus 9 is giga and 10 to the power minus 9 is nano. You should learn this table. It is very simple. Table can be also extended if 10 to the power minus 12, what known as pecto, 10 to the power minus 15 femto, here 10 to the power minus 12. These are the prefix for the SI systems. Measuring properties of the matter, mass and weight. The quantity of matter in body is termed as mass. What is weight? The quantity of force experienced by a body due to the gravitational force is termed as weight. Mass remains constant. Weight, on other hand, varies the change in gravity. Actually, weight is equal to mass into gravity, but mass is constant. Mass of your body is remain constant at Earth as well as at Moon, but weight of your body in the Earth, maybe you feel higher weight due to higher gravity of Earth, and due to lower weight at the Moon due to lower gravity of the Moon. By using the analytical balance, mass of body or material can be accurately determined. SI unit of mass is kilogram. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. Volume, unit of length cube. Length cube means meter cube. Usually in experiment, smaller units are used which are represented as centimeter cube or decimeter cube. 1 liter means 1000 ml. It means 1000 centimeter cube is equal to 1 decimeter cube. Okay, if you use centimeter, 1000 centimeter cube means 1 decimeter cube. Burette, pipette, graduated cylinders and the like use the of measuring of the volume of the liquids. Okay, these are the instruments used for the measuring the volume. In next class, when we are doing to volumetric analysis, we can see this all type of experiments. Density, as you know, the formula density is equal to mass by volume. So density of a material is calculated as the amount of mass per unit volume, kg by meter cube. So unit is kg m to power minus 3. Chemist usually prefers measuring of density in gram centimeter minus cube. Measuring properties of matter. The commonly used temperature scales in chemical labs are degrees Celsius, Fahrenheit, and Kelvins. K is the SI unit of temperature, relation between F and C. F, that means Fahrenheit is equal to N by 5, 9 by 5, C plus 32. If you know the degree centigrade scale, put the value of degree centigrade scale, we convert into this Fahrenheit scales. If you know the degree centigrade scales, if you add 273, we can calculate the Kelvin scales. Okay, we can check about that what is 100 degree centigrade. If you use 100 degree centigrade, that is the boiling point of water. What is value in Fahrenheit? We put the formula on this, we are able to calculate the value. That is, you are going to 212 Fahrenheit. Check this answer by calculating this value. National standard of measurements. What needs? The system of unit along with their definition keeps updating with time. The units vary as per the necessity of accuracy in the measurements. Comparison with standard maintained at National Metrology Institute of other countries. India have also national standard of measurement institutes has been established for maintaining the standards of the measurement. Where? Pune. The responsibility of establishing experiment to realize the base unit is solely given to the National Physical Laboratory (NPL). NPL is the responsible for analyzing the base unit of measurement and thus maintaining the national standard of the measurement. Reference standard of the measurement, international system of the SI. This is the kept standard protocol. Scientists approve the reference standard of the measurement, which make it possible to calibrate all measuring devices like analytical balances, meter stick, and so on. The mass standard is defined with the mass of the platinum iridium cylinder, which is stored at the International Bureau of Weight. Till now, scientists are in search for other new reference standard for mass with the base of Avogadro constant. However, nothing has been accepted as the reference standard till now. Similarly, meter was measured as the length between the two mark on platinum iridium bar kept at 0 Kelvin. Clear? The acknowledgement value of meter is 1.606 5076,373 multiplied 10 to the power 6 times the wavelength of light. A quick recaps of today's lectures. Main points are: physical properties of matter is the quantity which is measurable, such as weight, length, and temperature. Chemical properties of matter is the chemical change or reaction which take place according to its characters like acidity and basicity. The base physical quantity of SI are length, mass, time, and currents. Thermodynamic temperature, amount of substance, aluminum intensity. These are generally 7. The SI unit of mass is kg, volume is meter cube. SI unit of density is kg by meter cube. Relationship between Fahrenheit degree centigrade formula is this, and Kelvin and degree centigrade is this. Both formulas very important. Thank you. All the best.